Hey YouTube, back to another tutorial. Today you will learn how to edit your videos on CapCut. Nothing to do, simply you have to go on your Play Store and download CapCut. I have already downloaded, then I am clicking on CapCut. Okay, you will see a such type of interface. You will see a such type of interface. Simply click on your new project. Then you have to select your stock videos, your gallery videos. Okay, simply I am selecting my videos. Simply I am selecting two videos, number one and number 2. Okay, nothing to do. You will also see such two type of options. One is collage, and other is merging two videos. I want to show you how to collage your videos. Simply click on your collage and you will see such type of interface. Two videos are collaged. Okay, in collage you will see such type of another options. You can collage your videos or YouTube shorts or Instagram shorts or reels. Okay, it's totally easy process. Okay, back. Then I want to merge my videos or add two videos. Okay, then click on add button. Okay, then you will see a such type of interface. There are many editing options you can use for your videos. Number one, I am going to number one option, edit option. When you click on edit option, you will see another options, editing options. I am clicking split button. You will see if you click split button, then you video will split out in two parts. Okay, I am splitting my videos. Then you will see a split. This is a demarcation between two videos. Okay. Another option, you will see a speed. You can slow down your video or you can fast your video. Simply I am clicking on speed button. Then you will also will see two options. Number one is normal, number one is curve. In normal you will speed up your video, all videos, complete videos. In curve option you will see such options: custom, montage, hero, bullet. These are the options. For suppose I am selecting a montage, then in montage your upper in this graph you will see a graph. Upper part show speed of your video, and lower part will slow down your speed. This is a in curve process, and these are all the speed process of your videos. Okay, come to the back, select another option. You can apply an animation on your videos. For suppose I am selecting an animate option. You will see in, out and combo. For in the starting point of your video will be animated. In out option, your ending portion of your video will be animated. In your combo, your all video will be animated. Okay, back. This is so easy in editing. I like this software. Another option is style. You can apply style on your videos, but it will be used for photos. Okay, there is option delete option. You can delete your videos. You can lock on your videos. You can mute or increase your volume of your videos. Okay, another best option I have seen is extract audio. You can use through this software. You can also extract audio of your video, and you can also see a crop option. You can crop your video. Simply I am cropping. You can see rotate your video, or you can make a mirror image of your video. You can crop your video. These are all options. You can use it. Okay. You can filter out your videos. You can apply filters on your all videos. You can adjust, increase your brightness, saturation, contrast. Okay, these are the all options. You can filter or make it cinematic, more cinematic. Okay, come back, and there are many also options: adjustment, enhancement, okay, and overlay. And you can also see a stabilize option. You can when we record, then video become good one, then use a stabilize button. Your video will be easily recorded, and it will be good and it's cinematic. Okay, you can see opacity option. You can increase, decrease your video opacity. Okay, you can also reduce your noise in your sound. Okay, you can change your voice effect. You can copy this video, and there are many options you have seen. You will see this in this software. Okay, you will also see you can put your audio on your video. Okay, you have to write on your video. There are many options you can write. You can click on add text, and you can write here You will also apply stickers on your video. Okay, you can effects, filters. These are for in format option. You will see 9:9 ratio 16, 16:9. You can select for YouTube purpose. We will select 16:9. Okay. These are the all options available in short. These are, I think this is a good editing software. I will like, and after this complete video, you will see a complete video. Then you are able to edit your own videos, your Instagram reels and Facebook reels or YouTube shorts. It's totally easy process. And if you like it, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe it, and click on bell icon button for more videos. Thank you so much.